My name is Diakoumba Gassama. I'm from Senegal. I work during the day at Amnesty International, somehow represent it here, but it's really my feminist and activist life that I brought in that space. So it's the Senegalese Feminist Forum, the African Feminist Forum, and EWIT. For me it was twofold. One was sharing my own experience on day one as a survivor of severe burnout depression, and two was to help the collective facilitate our session around the concept of solidarity on which the Feminist Republic will be based. And I think for me it was really an important moment because it's like years and years of waiting for this platform to exist for the continent, and to see it unfold, it's really like, look, I have the goosebumps. I feel very privileged to have witnessed it, and when we hear older feminists or wiser feminists tell us, you remember Beijing, now we'll be able to say, you remember Naivasha. We have different type of women in the room. We have people for whom it's the first ever feminist meeting, who had a lot, some of them prejudice around against us and felt that we were this crazy bunch. And then now they, like all of us, the first time we went to this space, they really have outgrown those prejudices, and they really feel like they want to be part of the family. Then you have people who have been here forever and felt a bit disappointed or disillusioned, who came to rejuvenate themselves. And you have those of us in the middle who are starting to think, you know, maybe it's time for me to let others experience the space, but who are still seeing we are still now seeing the value we can have in that space, especially for me in a multilingual space. And so, yeah, I think people, the majority of the comrades I've asked were very, very happy to have been here. And for once, we are leaving a conference without thinking, of course, we said that in Naivasha, but it will never happen. We have even seen some donors tell us that they will commit, which we know that without money this is not possible. But most importantly, we got the buy-in of so many movements, activists, women in all the diversity that we have on the continent, that I can see that it will work, because this is a platform for African women human rights defenders, and the African women human rights defenders, the 315 of them who were here, have agreed that this is the platform they want, and we haven't had big clashes, ideological, political, whatever clash that we usually have in this kind of space. It was very smooth, very nurturing, sometimes very sad, but we are not living on a sad note.